Moringa powder is a nutritional powerhouse. This green, earthy powder is derived from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, also known as the drumstick tree or horseradish tree. The leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree are carefully harvested and dried to retain their rich nutritional content. Native to parts of Africa and Asia, this tree thrives in tropical and subtropical climates. It has been a staple in traditional medicine and diets for centuries. Often called the miracle tree, its leaves, seeds, and pods are all edible and packed with nutrients. Moringa offers a wide range of health benefits, being rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Think of it as nature's multivitamin. Unlike synthetic supplements, moringa provides nutrients in their natural form, which are more easily absorbed by the body. Moringa contains an impressive array of vitamins and minerals. It has more vitamin C than oranges, more vitamin A than carrots, and more calcium than milk. It includes vitamins A, C, and E, which are vital for healthy skin, vision, and immune function. Additionally, it provides calcium, iron, and potassium, essential for bone health, oxygen transport, and muscle function. Moringa is also a great source of protein and fiber. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source, and its high fiber content aids digestion. This nutrient-dense profile makes moringa a valuable addition to any diet. Whether you add it to smoothies, soups, or salads, it's an easy way to enhance your meals. Just a small spoonful can significantly boost your intake of essential nutrients. Try incorporating moringa into your daily routine and experience the benefits of this incredible superfood. Moringa isn't just for overall health, it's a brain booster too. It contains omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for cognitive function. These healthy fats enhance memory and concentration. Moringa also contains a compound called BDNF. BDNF stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor. It's vital for brain cell growth and survival. By adding moringa powder to your diet, you can support optimal brain health. Keep your mind sharp and focused with the power of moringa. A robust immune system is essential for warding off infections. Moringa can be your ally. This superfood is packed with immune-boosting nutrients. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, is plentiful in moringa. Moreover, moringa offers a significant amount of vitamin A, further bolstering the body's defenses. Essential minerals like zinc and iron, crucial for immunity, are also found in moringa. By incorporating moringa powder into your diet, you can fortify your immune system. Stay healthy and resilient with moringa. Healthy skin is a reflection of your overall well-being. Moringa provides a natural path to a radiant complexion. Vitamins A, C, and E work together to enhance skin health. Vitamin A supports cell regeneration, while vitamin C stimulates collagen production, improving skin elasticity. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, shields the skin from free radical damage. Moringa also has antimicrobial properties, helping to fight acne and other skin issues. Harness the power of moringa for healthy, glowing skin. Section 5. Moringa, aiding in weight management. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, has been celebrated for its numerous health benefits, one of which is its potential to aid in weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for overall health. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Moringa can be a valuable ally in your weight management journey. Its nutrient-dense profile makes it an excellent addition to a balanced diet. It's naturally high in fiber, which promotes feelings of fullness and aids in digestion. Fiber helps to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, moringa is a good source of protein, further contributing to satiety and supporting muscle growth. Protein is essential for repairing and building tissues, making it a crucial component of any weight management plan. Protein requires more energy to digest than carbohydrates, boosting metabolism. This means that incorporating moringa into your diet can help increase your daily calorie burn. Moringa's impact on blood sugar levels also plays a role in weight management. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, moringa helps to reduce cravings and prevent overeating. By incorporating moringa powder into your diet, you can support your efforts in achieving a healthy weight. Whether added to smoothies, sprinkled on salads, or mixed into protein shakes, moringa offers a versatile and nutritious way to enhance your weight management strategy. Section 6. Moringa, promoting a healthy gut. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being. Moringa can contribute to a thriving digestive system. Its high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements. This helps prevent constipation and supports the elimination of toxins from the body. Moringa also acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. By incorporating moringa powder into your diet, you can foster a healthy gut microbiome. Chapter 7. Incorporating moringa into your daily routine. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is loaded with nutrients and provides numerous health benefits. Adding moringa powder to your diet is simple and tasty. Whether you're an experienced chef or a kitchen beginner, incorporating moringa into your meals can be a fun and rewarding experience. There are countless ways to enjoy its benefits. From breakfast to dinner, and even snacks in between, moringa can be a versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. Start your day with a nutritious moringa smoothie. It's a fantastic way to kickstart your morning with a burst of energy and essential nutrients. Simply add a teaspoon or two of moringa powder to your favorite smoothie recipe. Blend it with fruits, vegetables, and a liquid base of your choice for a delicious and healthy drink. Moringa powder can also be incorporated into savory dishes. Its mild flavor makes it an excellent addition to a variety of recipes without overpowering the other ingredients. Stir it into soups, stews, or sauces for a nutritional boost. The powder dissolves easily, ensuring that you get all the benefits without altering the taste significantly. You can even add it to your baking recipes. Imagine enjoying moringa-infused muffins, bread, or cookies that not only taste great but also provide added health benefits. Get creative and explore different ways to include this versatile superfood in your meals. From smoothies and soups to baked goods and beyond, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the power of moringa and transform your daily diet into a nutrient-rich experience. Embrace the power of moringa. Moringa powder offers a wide range of health benefits. From supporting brain health and boosting immunity to enhancing skin health and aiding in weight management, moringa is a true superfood. Its rich nutritional profile and potent antioxidant properties make it a valuable addition to any diet. By incorporating moringa powder into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier and more vibrant you. Embrace the power of moringa and experience the transformative effects it can have on your overall well-being. A final word on moringa. Moringa powder is a gift from nature. It's a testament to the incredible power of plants. By harnessing the nutritional potency of moringa, you can unlock a world of health benefits. Start incorporating moringa into your diet today. Experience the positive impact it can have on your life. Discover the benefits of Moringa Magic Capsules. These capsules harness the power of moringa to boost your health and vitality. You can find links in the bio and description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.